Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's been a long time since I picked up the GoPro Hero 9 and actually recorded video with it and put it on my YouTube channel. So I decided I'd bring it along, just kind of use it every now and then, show you guys what it looks like in 2024. I am shooting with the 4K 60 FPS, so yep, this is what it's gonna look like. A lot of people, when they use the GoPro and they start a new channel, YouTube doesn't actually render the right way, and then your video doesn't look good. So I found tips and tricks on how to do that. So yeah, pretty much all you need to do in order to have your GoPro footage actually look the way that it should on YouTube is when you're exporting your footage, make sure your frame rate is really high, the bit rate is really high. Otherwise, YouTube is going to think your video is not worthy of exporting at a super high level. The thing that I do love about GoPro is how wide of an angle you actually get. I do love my Z Fold 5, and I definitely think it is a better camera than this. However, I think when it comes to GoPro, I really do like how wide of an angle you actually get when you're recording. So that's something that is really cool. So yeah, I'm just in my living room right now. You know, I have some interesting lighting, very saturated, so that's why I'm sure my face looks pretty well lit. But yeah, 4K 60 FPS on the GoPro Hero 9. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. You know, I have always liked using the GoPro just for filming. Like, it's just fun. It's a fun device, I will say that. I definitely think the Pocket 3 is a much better device. Like, there's no comparison between these two. However, I do like the GoPro kind of functionality and just having a very small device that you can carry around in your hand, literally in your hand. Like, it fits so well in your palm. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's just a great device. I do think GoPro has made a lot of mistakes in terms of not kind of changing the design and layout of their devices, but maybe, you know, maybe they know more than I do when it comes to their devices. Maybe what they're doing is better than what I know, clearly, because, you know, they're multi-billion-dollar company. But yeah, I do like it. I mean, this is the Hero 9, so I don't know what GoPro they're on now. I know GoPro like creates a new one really often, but it looks great. Driving my car right now, so I have my Z Fold 5 right there. Done a lot of videos about before. I have an Infinity M37X. I enjoy this car a lot. It's nice. So the GoPro, if I ever had a car mount, I guess it would be pretty good to use with this car. But yeah, this isn't a Bugatti or anything like that, so, you know, nothing to really brag about, anything like that. Always love when people try to cross the street. This woman's like, why is he holding up a camera to his face? But yeah, speaking of that, I think the GoPro is a great like vlog device. I think it works really well. Again, do I think it's better than the Pocket 3? No. But I think, again, the GoPro is like that original, well, I think it's one of the original vlog cameras. I know so many people still to this day use GoPros for their videos, and these are channels that have a lot of views, but there are a lot of different devices now that people use, such as like digital cameras, DSLRs, the Pocket 3, although I don't think the Pocket 3 has really hit the masses yet. I still think it's kind of it's not really understood. I don't think a lot of people know about the Pocket 3 either, so I think they're still kind of learning more about it. But I believe pretty soon most people will learn more about the Pocket 3 and how good it actually is of a device, especially for people that vlog. So, should be interesting. About to hit the highway now, so may put a little pedal to the metal here. See if we can hear the engine. Pretty nice. Gotta be careful on this crossing over to, or getting into a highway. A lot of these cars, they don't look. Also state troopers. Shout out to the state troopers, sort of. But no, seriously, like, don't speed. It's not a good idea, especially when people go well over 100 miles an hour. Not a good idea. Let's actually test out the slow-mo function on this device, see what it looks like. I mean, like, I have said that, you know, it's like a vlog camera, but then at the end of the day, I think GoPros, obviously, like, their full intention was to have a action camera. Camera, I think most people associate with just something that takes photos, when in reality that's not actually what it is. But this is a full-on action, you know, recording camera, which is awesome. I see so many people using this for, you know, just crazy sports videos and dirt biking and all those things, which I think this is where this camera really excels. I think the size of it makes it a vlog device, but again, I think there's so many different and better options. But again, it's not bad by any means. I think if you're starting out and you're someone who wants to just vlog on YouTube and post your videos and hopefully go viral, I think this is a good device to start at. It's not going to break the bank by any means, and you can find a GoPro Hero 8 or 9 or whatever they're at now for a cheaper price than buying something like the Pocket 3. We're going out and buying a crazy expensive smartphone that's gonna be like 3 times more than what this actually goes for. So it's definitely good. It's holding up really well for 4K 60 FPS, which is awesome. Yeah, I don't know what the newer GoPros can shoot up to. I've heard rumors that I think they can do like 8K, but again, I don't really see the whole point of shooting 8K.